Hello, good morning everyone. It's really raining now. I'm trying to go out and have some food stuff for breakfast, but the rain is too much. But all the same, I love it. I love to see it rain. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. This is Positive Orientation 1. It's really raining here. This is very early hours of the morning in northern northern Italy. I love the rain. I love to hear the sound of the rain. See how heavy it is? It's really raining. This is gas station. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much. It's really raining. You can hear the sound. That is an airport over there. That is an airport, Treviso Airport. But I'm not going there. Just want to collect some few items for breakfast this morning. But I will make you to see the compound of the airport. Very close to it now. This is the airport. You can from here fly to any European countries. This is the major road that is. So, as I said before, this is the airport. You can see I'm just getting it from a little, it's a little bit distance that I'm taking it, but you can still see the airport. Very beautiful one. It's raining. That is the airport. You can see people by the bus stop waiting at the traffic junction. Thank you so much. I've come to the end of this video. This is Positive Orientation 1. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like this video and share. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. That is your airport there. This is the parking space. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's really raining here. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye-bye.